Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of April 30th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Teacher Appreciation Week is from May 3rd until May 7th. Please help to make this week special for our teachers. Our next virtual open house is on Wednesday, May 12th. 5:30 to 6:15 is for the elementary school, and 6:30 to 7:15 is for our secondary campus. Please inform any friends or family that might be interested in PBMA for next year to check out our open houses. This is a great opportunity for 5th graders to check out our middle school and for incoming kindergartners to learn all about our school. Please email me for the Google Meets link to attend at scooper@pbmalantana.org. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Teachers and students are encouraged to wear green on May 20th to promote recognition of mental health issues. On Monday, May 31st, school is closed for Memorial Day, and the last day of school will be Friday, June 18th. Lots of state standardized testing is coming up next week. Here is the high school testing information. And here is the middle school testing information. Finally, this is the elementary testing information. Here's a message from Mrs. Smith, our elementary principal.
Hi, PBMA families. I wanted to take some time to appreciate all of our teachers at PBMA. They have done an outstanding job this school year. I am so happy to be working with them, and I am so impressed with everything that they've done, especially with this unique school year. I also want to give out some kudos to our students and families for FSA testing. We are on a roll, and so far 100% participation, and let's keep that going. The month of May is very busy for testing. Next week, our distance learners will be coming in Monday, Tuesday for 4th and 5th grade reading, Wednesday, Thursday for 3, 4, 5 math. That's our distance learners. And the following week, it'll be the same schedule for our brick and mortar students. I look forward to seeing everyone. Thank you.
Last week, our principals, Ms. T, Senora Tessier, and Dr. Barrett attended the town council meeting. Our new Lantana mayor, Mayor Haggerty, proclaim next week Teacher Appreciation Week throughout the town of Lantana. Here's Mayor Haggerty.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Robert Haggerty, and I'm the Mayor of Lantana. I was asked to come down here, and I'm very honored to be down here to be part of the Teacher Appreciation Week. This past Monday night, I was able to invite all the principals from our schools in Lantana and give them a proclamation recognizing Teacher Appreciation Week. I'd like to take a minute and read a few things off this proclamation. It simply states, the town of Lantana would like to honor the teachers within the Lantana schools for their dedication and commitment to the excellent education. Teachers within schools continue to establish supportive and inclusive and high-quality learning environment that fosters student achievement and provides for the unique needs of individual students. And with COVID-19 has posed immense challenges for all school and support staff, requiring flexibility, innovation, adaptations, thoughtful and caring consideration for students, families, and fellow staff. Lantana Elementary School, Lantana Middle School, and Palm Beach Maritime should be commended on their hard work and dedication to the education and bright future of their students. As mayor of this town, I'm very proud to be able to issue this and read this proclamation in front of our staff, in front of our residents last Monday. More importantly, I'm honored to be here today and video this for the teachers and staff of this school and recognize you guys for the hard work and the diligence that you do on a daily basis. Last year, by far, was probably one of the worst years we've had with COVID. However, you guys were able to manage both in-school and virtual classrooms, which my hat's off to you. I'm very proud of the fact that we were able to, or you were able to, provide the kids with the same level of education. In addition to that, I'd like to say congratulations on being named the top school in Palm Beach County. That speaks volumes about what you're doing here in our community And I'd like to say continue the good work and keep it up. Have a great day.
Mrs. Spiegel's fourth graders completed a STEM challenge based on engineering and the novel The Egypt Game by Zephyr Snyder. The students built a pyramid using marshmallows and toothpicks. Let's take a look.
So what did you guys decide to do differently this time?
Make it bigger and stronger.
Make it bigger and stronger. How are you making it stronger? Okay, so you're putting squares on the bottom, okay? And then you're also using, it looks like, more marshmallows, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Last week, some of our students participated in Take Your Child to Work Day. Here are some pictures of our students going to work with their families. Our fifth graders participated in a Google Meet showing all the wonderful programs that are available at our middle school. Here's a look at that presentation.
Hi, fifth graders, soon to be sixth graders. You may be my students next year, so get used to this face. And I tend to be pretty silly in the classroom and try to have fun, but we also do a lot of work. And most of our work we'll do in class, and hopefully you will enjoy it. I have two small demonstrations to show to you guys some of the things that we would do in class. The first one has to do with the different states of matter. I know you all have learned about that, about solids, liquids, and gas. So today I'm going to show you how we can make a gas from a solid and a liquid. So I'm going to turn on my document camera, so that's going to turn off my camera, but you will still be able to hear me.
If parents would like to view the presentation, please send me an email and I will send it out to you.
It's Poetry Week at the secondary campus. Let's see what's going on.
Hi, this is Mrs. Higgins, art teacher at the secondary school. For Poetry Month, the students and I created some blackout poetry. Basically, what the students did was take some text out of a book, magazine, or newspaper, or even created it out of their own words to create their own poetry. The students learned how to appropriate another artist's work and make their own. There are colorful ones, and there are also just black and white ones. They also use their Zentangle patterns, what they've learned earlier in the third quarter. So here are some examples of the work and some of the students creating the work as they were creating them.
Finally, here are the Sharks of the Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.